Ayan ang Niagara, USA side. Puro puno. Ayan. Niagara, USA side. Ah, ganda, no? Super gayon. Ganda nung araw, oh. Magayon nun, Susan, diba? Ayan, Niagara, USA side. Ito ang Buffalo, New York. So, ito yung kabila ng Canada. So, ayan na. Parking. Ito na pala yung Niagara Park pa to. Ayan, oh, ayan yung linakad namin kanina.
Alright folks, we are now here on Goat Island, and we're going to have 4 stops in total. The first one we're going to come to is the main stop here on Goat Island, so it's going to be for the Cave of the Winds. Also, if anyone needs to use the restrooms, grab a bite to eat, the cafe is still open, as well as gift shop and ice cream stand. They're going to be open until about 8 o'clock tonight. The Cave of the Winds is going to be open up until 9, and the trolley till 10. So that's 8, 9, and 10 p.m. The fireworks will be here at 10 p.m. as long as the weather holds out. The light show is at 8:30 until 2 a.m. It's parking lot number 2 you're seeing coming up on your left.